ask you one question. Do you keep facing sudden money losses, relationship breakdowns, or unexplained health struggles, even when you're doing everything right? And now listen very carefully to me. This could be Pitra Dosh, not a curse, not a punishment, but an ancestral energy frequency imbalance that keeps flowing through generations until someone chooses to reset it. And today I'm going to show you how to actually recognize the signs and dissolve its grip energetically. Okay, so that blessings, health, love, money, all of it can finally flow into your life. So my love, Pitra Dosh is not something to be afraid of. It is simply an imbalance in your energy frequency world. Okay, that too of your lineage. And you may be carrying it if your family has faced repeated miscarriages, health struggles, unexplained illnesses, and no matter how hard you're working, if you're financially still unstable, right, and it keeps coming back, the instability, money is slipping away, right, all the time. If there are some family conflicts that never ever seem to resolve, that means you're stuck in the same fight, same disappointment, generation after generation. That definitely shows that there's some dosha. And the most painful part, it feels like destiny itself is against you, right? You think maybe I don't even deserve happiness. Maybe I was just so born unlucky. But hear me clearly, that is not true. You're not cursed. You're not unlucky. You're simply carrying an ancestral frequency that was not healed. And today we'll begin to change that, okay? And if you feel that your husband may also be carrying this imbalance, please share this video with him too. It's the best if both of you can work together. Healing the lineage is just not your work alone. It's the work of the entire family. So think of your life like a computer. You're trying to run a new powerful software. Your dreams, your goals, your hard work. But if the system is still running on old corrupted code, what starts to happen? You tell me. It keeps crashing, right? That corrupted code is actually the Pitra Dosh. Okay? It's the outdated ancestral frequency. And until someone heals it, the system will keep repeating the same errors again and again. And here's the truth. When you're healing it, it's just not for you. It heals 7 generations behind you and 7 generations forward of you. Yes, my dear, you are the reset point. And this system stabilizes because you choose to clean the code now completely, even for your future generations. Isn't it wonderful? So, my love, let's do the healing together. This is not theory, it's an energetic reset. Alright, so I want you to sit straight. So, sit straight, feet grounded, shoulders completely relaxed. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths with me. So inhale, hold, exhale. Again, inhale, hold, and exhale. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, hold, exhale. Beautiful. Now I want you to take a blank piece of paper. Okay? So take a blank piece of paper. With your hand, write these words. I release all ancestral debts, blocks, and burdens that are not mine. I release all ancestral debts, blocks, and burdens that are not mine. With respect, I return them back. With love, I carry only blessings forward. I'm repeating again for you, okay? I release all ancestral debts, blocks, and burdens that are not mine. With respect, I return them back. With love, I carry only blessings forward. So I want you to read it out loud once, okay? And feel the truth in it. So just pause the video and read it out one more time. And now, I want you to fold the paper gently, hold it close to your heart, and close your eyes again. And now visualize your ancestors who've left their bodies and they are no more. So your fathers, mother, grandfather, grandmothers, see their tired faces, some heavy with pain, some longing for peace. Go up to 7 generations back. You don't need to visualize their face, even their soul is good. So just see them. Hold the space for them. And now whisper softly, I honor you. I thank you. I release all your pains. and I'm ready to carry only love forward. Say it again like you mean it. I honor you. I thank you. I release all your pain, and I carry only your love forward. One more time, with full feelings, let's say it. I honor you. I thank you. I release your pain. I carry only your love forward. Just be with this energy. And now take the paper. If you're comfortable, light a candle and carefully you can burn this paper. And see the smoke rise and see all the ancestral blocks dissolving into the universe. So you can do it now or after watching this video. And if fire doesn't feel safe, then tear the paper into small pieces and just throw them into water. Okay? And as you do this, place your hands on your heart and just whisper, I am free. I am free. I carry only blessings forward. I am chosen to heal and to rise. Say it again, one more time. Let's do it. I'm free. Say it. I'm free. And I carry only blessings forward. I am chosen to heal and rise. Beautiful. And when you're done, if you burnt it, just scatter the ashes in soil or water. And if you used water, just pour it into earth. This way, the old energy is returned back to nature. What remains with you is only and only blessings. So this, my love, it may seem like a simple act, but remember, energy listens and it's just your intentions. Intentions create a reality. Okay, so one of my students, Sangeeta, she kept facing job rejections for years. She worked hard, but nothing clicked. But after doing this Pitra healing ritual, she received the job offers that she could never ever imagined also, with a higher salary and closer to her home. Okay, so this is not superstition. Modern science has proven that unresolved trauma passes through generations and through energy and even through DNA, I would say. So when you shift your total energy frequency, you're literally reprogramming your body, your brain, and the future of your lineage. Imagine giving this blessing to your future generation. Yes, I'm sure we all want it. So do this ritual on every new moon and whenever you feel stuck, and watch how doors begin to open for you, how conflict starts to soften down, and how your health starts to improve. Okay, this is your lineage healing through you. And if you really felt a shift today, even a small lightness, even one tear, I would say that, then just know this, you're ready for some deep work. This ritual is powerful, but it is just the first step. If you truly want to break free from all your ancestral blockages once for all, and you want to stop repeating the painful cycles and rise as an energy queen of your family, then I invite you into my free Energy Queens Masterclass. Yes, my dear, but only and only if you're serious. This is not for everyone. It's for those women who now they are refusing to settle for less, who now know that they are born to heal, they are born to rise. So if that is you, then just click the link below, register and show up. Your Energy Queen's life is waiting for you.